Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc. If you want to make your Instagram account private, meaning only approved followers can see your posts and stories, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Instagram keeps updating its settings, but as of 2025, this is the latest method. Let's get right into it. First, open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. From here, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. You'll automatically be inside Settings and Privacy, so there's no need to navigate anywhere else. Just move on to the next step. Now, scroll down to the section called Who Can See Your Content and tap on Account Privacy. Here, you'll see the option to toggle on Private Account. Once you turn it on, your account will become private, meaning only people who follow you will be able to see your posts, stories, and followers list. Anyone who isn't following you will need to send a follow request, and you'll have to approve them before they can see anything. Instagram will also show you a warning about what happens when you switch to a private account. It will remind you that your posts will no longer be visible to non-followers and that your account will be locked from public access. However, this setting doesn't affect people who are already following you. They'll still have access unless you manually remove them. If you have a professional account, Instagram won't let you switch to private right away. You'll need to switch to a personal account first. To do this, go back to Settings and Privacy, scroll down and tap Account Type and Tools. From here, select Switch Account Type, then choose Switch to Personal Account. Once you've done that, just follow the same steps I showed earlier to make your account private, and that's it. Now you know how to make your Instagram account private in 2025. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you later.